Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ekta and in today's Trial Tuesday video I'm going to talk about a very quintessential, a non-negotiable and indispensable product category in makeup. Yes, I'm talking about primer. Primer, as we all know, is a very quintessential part of any makeup, whether it's a regular makeup or a heavy duty makeup. A makeup without primer is just as incomplete. In fact, I am the person who earlier used to feel that primer is just an additional layer on my face. I may not need it because I do not have pores, but the truth is that whether you have pores or not, using a primer does help in different ways. There are so many benefits that primer offers. The very first thing is that it gives a very smooth kind of a base to the face before applying makeup. It helps in closing the pores or kind of blurring the pores if not closed before you apply makeup, so your makeup looks even toned and balanced. It helps in the longevity of the makeup. In fact, if you have not started using primer in your makeup base, then I must suggest you should go for one. I have done quite some videos about different primers that I've been using. One of my most favorite is PAC's primer. I'll put the link somewhere over here. Apart from that, I'm also using Color Bar primer. I have used Oriflame and so on. There is one brand which is one of my childhood favorite. Yeah, it is that old, and since I was not using makeup in my childhood, but I have been seeing this brand a lot in my childhood. It is as famous, as popular. I'm talking about Lakme, and Lakme is very close to my heart, and there's a primer called Blur Perfect Makeup Primer, which I have been meaning to try for a long, and then I thought, why not do a Trial Tuesday video with all of you. I have used it only once, that is today, and I'll try this primer and talk more about this particular, whether it is a good primer worth the price or not. So before we start, I would really request, if you are new into my channel, do go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification icon, and if you're a returning subscriber, I so love you, and do not forget to hit the bell notification icon. So let's get started and check this out, the Lakme Blur Perfect Primer. So here's how this primer looks like. It comes inside this very beautiful, very simple, but elegantly designed black tube with a silver kind of a cap over here. It weighs somewhere around 30 grams. Is quite an easy to use primer. Unlike a glass bottle, this is travel friendly. You can easily stuff in your bag, in your luggage, anywhere you're traveling. It is not breakable, and yeah, that's a form factor, and I totally love the form factor. It is quite easy to use. Let me quickly open this and show you how the consistency is. Yeah, oh my god, it is little cute pink, kind of a very light pink tinted kind of a primer over here, and this is not in gel but more like a creamy kind of a formula. So if you're somebody with oily skin, I'm not sure whether you can use it or not, but if you're someone with dry skin or normal or combination skin, I'm sure this is something you would like to try. Very smooth in texture. It's very easy to blend. There is a visible difference after using this primer. As you can see, I have used the primer over here and not here. There's a remarkable smoothness in that area, and visibly luminance is over there. Look at this, looking lighter than this one. I feel that on your no makeup day or less makeup day, you can easily use this primer as a base. Avoid using any kind of foundation and just use primer and some compact powder, liner, and a little bit of lip gloss. You are good to go. So in this video, I will not talk about the bridal or heavy duty makeup. This will be more for normal makeup, because that's what we generally do. For bridal makeup, your bridal artist normally comes with their own special products and the formulation, whichever brand they prefer, so I suggest you go with them. Yeah, price wise, it is quite competitive with a lot of primers in the same category, that is Color Bar or PAC. So this is 750 rupees for 30 gram of product over here. And in fact, if you see this product onto Amazon or the other websites, you will find immense kind of discount available on this time to time. I'll leave the link of this product on Amazon. So I've tried this product only once, just to show it to you. I have tried it today. I'm wearing this primer right now under my makeup. I have done a very simple kind of makeup. I was getting ready for a shoot which eventually got cancelled, and this is the makeup that I have done. I think I have done this makeup around 12 to 1 o'clock today, and this is now around 6 o'clock in the evening, and still as you can see, the makeup is going strong. I'm kind of happy with the way, you know, it has gone onto my face. Since I don't have any kind of pore issues, I can't comment onto that, but otherwise also when I applied onto my face, it gave me you know, a bit of a smoother kind of a feeling over here. Like I told you, it's on my hand. So now it's almost like 10 minutes when I've applied on my hand, and let me touch and show you. It's kind of oxidized and it has blended, actually merged so well that, you know, I could not feel any difference. You know what happens when I apply any other primer, that is like Color Bar or PAC, there's a feelable kind of smoothness still over there onto the face when you applied it. That smoothness is a little bit missing out here. That smoothness is only when you are applying the product, but right now, as I can see, I'm sitting here, I haven't washed my hand, done nothing. I don't feel that smoothness, that instant smoothness you feel when you're applying the primer. So that might be one of the cons of this product, I don't know. To make this review more reliable and more believable, what I'm going to do is that I will stay with this makeup where I've applied this primer as a foundation underneath my foundation, as a base, and I'll stay with this makeup for quite some time till late in the night, and maybe I'll come back tomorrow and tell you, you know, how my face is looking. If possible, I'll add the shots of the late night also till the time I've kept this makeup on. So let me call it a day, and before that, let me show you my face, how it is looking currently. This is a natural light. It's actually a dimming light. It's going to be an evening time. So here's a closer look at my face. Yeah, I'm not using any kind of filter, any kind of ring light, any kind of artificial light, nothing. There's no light over here except the very dimmed, brief, natural light. So you can see how my face looks like right now. So let's quickly check the claims that the brands make versus vis-a-vis the experience. So far, the first-hand experience, of course, the first impression lasts longer. I'm not sure if it was very silky. It was very creamy when you applied it. That's true. It brightens. Yes, it does brightens. I don't have many blemishes, but as I can see on my face, does it soften them much? Not a lot. In fact, on a scale of 1 to 10, 5 to 6 is something I'll give it to. Which is true, maybe because of this primer, or maybe because I've applied facial oil beneath the primer, that my makeup was very smooth and it glided so well on my face today. Instant smoothness, yes. Instant radiance, yes. Long-term smoothness, I'm not sure, so we are going to check this out. Yeah, overall I kind of like this product, and like I said, I like the brand Lakme, at least the product that they have made earlier. I'm not sure what they're doing now. So basis that, I would like to give this primer 6 or 7 out of 10. I don't know. If my review changes, I'll update that onto my Instagram story. Do follow me on Instagram. I'll see you soon. Take care, and do not forget to subscribe this channel. It's around 11 in the night, and as you can see, the smoothness has kind of little bit gone. There's no smoothness in the face as such, but the makeup is still on. A lot of oxidization actually happened. The makeup is not looking that smooth, but there is something on the face. It's not very pudgy, it's not very, you know, unkempt. It is kind of decent. I haven't done any touch up, including lipstick also. So I had my dinner, did my course, household course, I cooked, etc, etc, and then yeah, this is how my skin right now is. So well, that's all for today's video. I'll soon come with a comparison test using this primer or any other primer of your choice. Do let me know if you have any specific primer on your mind. Till such time, take care. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and be safe. Ciao.